Let's check out some new activity books for all ages. Activity books keep kids busy and learning, help reduce stress, and encourage reluctant readers. First up, we have the Little Children's Still Playbook. It's a heavy-duty board book, and these little white spots are for the child to put their Play-Doh in, so they feel like they're making the book, and also helps with fine motor skills. Such a cute one. We have some new titles in our little coloring series. I love these ones. They have text in them, so the children actually can read them over and over, and they feel like they're making their own book, so they're encouraged to read it as well. We have our first sticker book series. There's some more on these. This one is trees, and I love how it features all the different kinds of trees. And then we have some planet Earth, different habitats on the earth and what belongs in that habitat. Check out the beautiful colors in this book, filled with amazing animals and coral. Lots of fun facts in that one. My Day sticker book, great for routines and one-to-one correspondence. Your kids are going to love this, and it's going to promote fine motor skills as well. Speaking of fine motor skills, these are epic in that area. We have our first drawing, which is amazing, and then all of our different new activity books. These are filled with mazes, dot to dot, tracing, matching, and finding the difference in the pictures. So much fun, and you'll find one for every interest. Our look and find puzzles support critical thinking and just great problem solving skills. Your kids are going to love to find all the different things in these books. Our fingerprint activity books, this is the newest in the series, Monsters. My kids love monsters. Just use the ink pad to add to the book and get creative with it. So much fun. Little sticker dolly dressing, summertime fairies. How cute are these? All the different fairies are described, and then you have the stickers in the back. The only difference between the little sticker dolly and these are the size, and also there's a little more text in these ones. My daughter loves these because she's building the book, and then also she gets to read about the adventures that the dollies are having. These are my boys' favorite sticker books. It's the Build Your Own series. The newest one is dinosaurs, and then sea creatures. You can mix and match, or you can just stick the stickers where they go. It's like a puzzle, but in a book, and you get lots of fun facts too. It's everyone's favorite magic painting series. We have some new colors and new pictures in this series. I love how it has the names of the animals in the back. The first magic painting books have very simple pictures. Look at all these details. You just add water and the beautiful colors show up, and then your children can match the pictures with the right names of the animals and birds. If you have spy fans at home, they're going to love this book. I love how the mazes get harder as the book goes along, and there's fun features, not just getting through the maze. Our new mindful activities help you calm and reduce stress, with lots of ideas on how to do that. Make sure you comment below with what books you liked.